Yan. Yan, ikot-ikot muna tayo. See, look at those see, look at the fountain. Shower. Fountain.
Whoa.
Shake. I used to go there too. Max, no. No, I want to go to my favorite Chinese restaurant. Emerald Garden, that's what.
Oh,
They have a good fried rice there, Jade. In that Chinese restaurant I want. So they're building a new residence here, Annie. So maybe that's...
back there, bro.
Yeah. Palacio de Manila. Oh, okay. That's new. Yeah.
A dog!
You found a dog, Jelana?
Yeah, a dog with that.
Yeah. Ang hirap lang mag-adjust sa oras. Punta na tayo sa Andalusia, Uncle. Masyado mahirap naman yan. Dulumitin na yan. Bala siya. Sa Andalusia. Oh, property owned by Wang Xiang. See? Wang Xiang. No trespassing. Yeah, I know. That's the problem. Is like not many Filipino own a property anymore. Just owned by Chinese. This is Diamond Hotel. Once a popular Diamond Hotel. And next to it is the Hyatt. Hyatt Hotel is brand new, I think. Yeah. Manila Bay, Sheraton. Oh, there's ambulance.
Yeah, everybody was going around the ambulance.
Usually the ambulance goes.
Yeah, it is, yeah, you know, and
See, look at Grandpa trying to clean, watering the plants. This is the traffic here in Manila. This is the regular traffic, guys.
this is not even, this is Sunday morning.
It's Sunday
That's right.
morning, yeah. Yeah, that's another add-on to the traffic. Maybe that's the solution for the traffic, right?
What's that?
Those driver, but it's more noise. And what do you think?
Yeah, you just physically, you have too many people living for too many people living to actually handle the flow.
Because when I was living
So
here,
you can't- yeah,
there's no of that.
Right, so a lot less. That was decades ago, so there's less population.
Yeah, 20 years ago, I don't have that.
Yep.
Oh, you find a horse?
You've been to Seattle, remember all the traffic and roads?
Yeah.
When I was there, you didn't have very much of that, but you had half the roads. It was still busy, but and all the people with to get here, there, all the transportation. You know.
Well, this is an old building now. They're trying to, wow, this is, see, look at those. Wow, this used to be, that's scary. They're now probably changing this. Wow. So some people like those seaman, honey, they go line up here every morning and make sure if they have a due date to travel, so they always come here and line up, and every day looking if they can go to get a job. That's how they do it here.
So what's BDO?
That's a bank of
Oh, that's the bank.
that's a bank.
So they have to come down here and line up, see if they got work for the day.
No, no, that's the bank. But there's like agency, marine agency.
Okay. Oh, okay. I got it. Yep.
So
Yep.
they connect with cruise in Norwegian and all that, those agency. So for those people, they call it marine. For those
Okay.
people to get because there's so many, only they took so many people, right? So you have to line up here every day to make sure your name is on the list to get a job. Every day until you got your assignment going to Norwegian cruises or some people like this. I talked to one guy in Juneau. He got an order. He went to Seattle and he doesn't know where he's going. So now they're sending him in Alaska to meet the Norwegian cruise ship.